I just pulled into my yard. They're literally lined up for this feeder. Look at that. Have y'all ever had that many birds in your yard? Look at them in the feeder. I mean, they're all over the place. They're all along the fence. Look, got the pigeons up there waiting on top of the house. Got birds over here waiting on the neighbor's house. Look at them all there in the yard. That's crazy. Anyway, thought I would share real quick before I park the truck and go inside. Y'all should really check out my other videos and see how close we get to them.